traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I definitely am still very bullish. I mean, this one is going down also, but at least it hasn't broken any structure. The trend is definitely still up on the monthly, and I do see the possibility of this making a bigger move down on some of the dollar pairs, and if it does, that's fine. We'll just follow along. But for now, I'm definitely still bullish, and I still think there's a very good likelihood it will take out both of these previous swing highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, the pound dollar definitely hasn't broken structure yet. So I mean, it could reject structure, or it could just make a higher low and just keep on trending up. The trend is definitely up on the monthly, and it is up on the weekly. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, I would assume this first move down is either a wave A or a wave 1. And I would also assume that at some point it's going to go up and make a crutch into this move down, like a wave B or a wave 2. And sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending up like that, making higher highs, higher lows. So once we identify the end of this trend on shorter time frames, I will definitely start looking for longs. And while we hopefully learn and earn whether this is a wave B or whether it's a wave 2. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice low high, low high, low high series going on right here until we actually break this low high series with a nice break of structure to the upside. I personally would still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Once we break structure, then that will tell me the wave A or 1 is over and that we're going up, most likely for a crutch into this move down. But like I was explaining on the daily, I definitely will start looking for longs, because if it's not a crutch and it just keeps on trending because the monthly and the weekly time frame are up, then we definitely want to be looking for longs in an uptrend. Going right down to the 1 hour time frame, very slow market so far this week. We got CPI coming out tomorrow, so maybe the US dollar pairs are waiting for that. For me, as a swing trader, there's definitely no really swing trade setups in here yet this week. But if it goes up and if it breaks structure, I will definitely stop looking for shorts, and I will definitely start looking for longs in an uptrend. It definitely doesn't have to break structure right now. I mean, it could easily continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So until we actually get that break of structure, I'm definitely looking for shorts. But with the way price looks and looking at correlated pairs, it does seem like at some point it is going to break structure and it is going to turn to the upside, most likely making either a wave B or a wave 2, which is a crutch into the whole move down, which the move down should be a wave A or a wave 1. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.